Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? Welcome back to the part 5 of chapter 5. In previous video, we have discussed about sedimentation, decantation and filtration process. I hope you have watched that video. Before starting this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to learn about evaporation and condensation. These two methods are exactly opposite of each other that we will learn in this particular video. Let's start with the process of evaporation. So what is that? It is the process of conversion of water into vapor. It's known as evaporation. When water gets converted into its vapor, that is evaporation, and the process of evaporation take place continuously wherever water is present. That means this process is continuous wherever water is present. In simple word, when water is converted into vapor, it is evaporation. Is it clear, Bacha Party? In your textbook, they have given this example. When we heat the beaker containing salt water, that water gets evaporated. Okay? When we heat the beaker containing a salt water and when water boils, the salt remain in the beaker. So, we use this process of evaporation to separate water and salt. Have you ever wondered how our salt is created? So let's see. Seawater contains many salt and one of them is our common salt. When seawater is collected in the shallow pits, water gets heated by sunlight and that turns the water into vapor, and that is evaporation. When water is converted into vapor, that is process of evaporation. After few days, that water evaporates completely and our common salt or solid salt remain in that shallow pits, so that we can collect that common salt from that. In this way, the mixture is separated with the help of evaporation process. Okay, to understand it better, I have created one animated video for this process. Let's see it. As we have discussed earlier, seawater contains many salt. So the question is how to collect this particular salt, or what is the process of getting common salt. So for that we have to collect seawater in a shallow pits along the seashore. After that, this water is allowed to evaporate, that is due to sunlight this seawater gets heated and evaporates. When water gets completely evaporates, then our common salt will remain in that shallow pits and we can obtain that common salt. I hope you are now clear with the process of evaporation. Okay? Now the next topic is condensation. It is exactly opposite of evaporation. In evaporation, the liquid or water gets converted into vapor. Now in condensation, it is the process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid. As you can see, these both processes are exactly opposite of each other. Here, water vapor are converting into the water and it is condensation. There might be question that differentiate the evaporation and condensation. Are you able to write that answer? Yes, I hope so. You can write that. Now, the process of condensation is clear to everyone? If still not clear, please comment down below so I can solve that. Okay? In your textbook, they have given this example to explain evaporation and condensation. For that, they have taken a kettle containing water and kept that kettle on a burner. While we heat that kettle, water start to evaporate. That means water heated and converted into vapor. That is nothing but the process of evaporation, as you can see in the figure. Now after evaporation, we have to kept a plate containing ice on the mouth of the kettle. So when the vapor from the mouth of the kettle comes in contact with this plate, it start to condense and create the water or liquid. And if we tilt that plate, then we can collect that liquid. As you can see in the figure, the liquid is collected in the beaker. So in this way we can explain both the process, that is the process of evaporation as well as the process of condensation. For this also I have created one animated video. Let's see. Now as you can see, I have taken a mixture of salt and water in kettle. Now when I apply heat, this water gets converted into vapor. After some time, all the water gets evaporated and our salt remains in the kettle. So we can separate that salt from the kettle with the help of evaporation. Now for the process of condensation, when I take plate of ice and kept on the mouth of kettle, when vapor from the kettle comes in contact with the plate, then it get condensed and converted into water, and that water can be collected into the beaker. So with the help of condensation, we can collect the water or liquid from the vapor. Okay, I hope you are clear with both the concept, that is evaporation and condensation. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next part. Thank you.